My name is Chris Snell. I've been working for Manteca Unified for 26 years now. My role is to make sure everything's safe and functioning for everybody. I love being here and being a part of a team that cares about children and the future. Just being able to be here and contribute to making sure everything is in good shape for them and bringing them a safe place to learn, bringing them joy. It's a good feeling. I feel like I'm actually contributing to something worthwhile. I love it here. Well, it feels like home, but everybody has always been friendly. I love the kids. And some of them I do actually have, you have a relationship with. You talk to them every day and you ask how they're doing and you help them with things. And just over the years, hugs and stuff from when they're kindergarten all the way up till, well, after 5th grade, they don't want hugs anymore. It's nice to be a part of that and be part of it's like a family because we're a family away from their home. So everybody here is really fun to work with, easy to work with. They all take the job seriously and they prioritize the children. And I like to joke around people and keep it light, and it just makes it a really fun situation. And it's just been a great working environment, and I'd never have desired to go anywhere else. It's awesome, really. It's great. I feel really privileged and honored. It's special to be acknowledged that way. It makes me feel really good that what I'm doing here is worthwhile. I'm just very honored.